Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Those who are watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Tina and I create makeup and beauty related videos in my channel Sprinkle Beauty with Tina. So this is the second video from the Durga Puja makeup series and I have created this half cut crease eye makeup specially for Maha Saptami, which is coming up very soon on 23rd October. Before I jump into the tutorial, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I have already moisturized my face and these are the products that I have used for the base makeup. I will link all the product details in the description box, so please don't forget to check it out. I am using a scotch tape in the outer corner of my eyes to achieve that perfect angle for my eye makeup. I'm going to start off with this matte purple shade from the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette, and with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I will blend this in my crease. I will keep building up the color till I am satisfied with the intensity. I am switching to a dense crease brush to blend the vibrant purple shade in my crease, but a little lower than the previous shade that I applied. Keep on adding the shade till you are satisfied with the pigmentation. Then taking some concealer in a flat shader brush, I will cut the crease of my inner half of the eyes. And make sure to use a flat thin brush, that way the application will be very precise. Taking the remaining concealer in the brush, I am cleaning up my brow bone area and I will set it with the powder. After removing the tape, we need to apply some concealer because the tape has lifted off the foundation and concealer from that area. For this, I am using a dense concealer blending brush from PAC. Now I'm gonna use this pigment on the top of the concealer. For this we need some kind of liquid medium to mix the powder pigment. For mixing the pigment I'm using MAC Fix Plus and it gives amazing result. If you already have a wet pigment then you can directly apply that. I usually go for a sponge tip applicator for this since it absorbs the excess liquid and transfers the product beautifully. Next, I am using this black kohl pencil to line my lower waterline. To smoke out the black liner, I am going to pick this purple color and I will blend it very gently. Now I need to add one more shade, that is this beautiful orange shade, and I will blend them together. For a very sharp winged eyeliner, you want to make sure that you use a felt tip eyeliner like this. It makes the eyeliner game a lot more easier. And as you can see, I am starting at a very outer end with a wing and then moving slowly towards the inner corner. For my inner corners, I am placing the eyeliner where my lash lines meet and extending it outwards very gently. Moving on to the face makeup, I'm using a powder contour product today. If you have oily skin like me, then powder products will work the best for you. If you wanna skip out on falsies like I'm doing today, make sure to use a volumizing mascara. If you ask me, I would recommend using this Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. I'm sure you will like the performance. Moving on to the blush, I'm using this Flush Creator blush from the Maybelline and I really like it because it blends easily and gives a very good pigmentation. Using this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face. For this, I'm using the contour brush from Real Techniques. Since my eye makeup is so colorful, I'm going for a dusty rosy pink shade for the lipstick. Always remember that neutral lipsticks goes well with heavy eye makeup. I'm applying this Blue Heaven Liquid Sindoor as my bindi. And finally, to set my makeup, I'm spraying this matte finish setting spray from NYX. So that's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial because I enjoyed creating this makeup look. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. I'll be back with a get ready with me makeup look for Maha Saptami. So guys, stay tuned to my channel and make sure you are following me on Instagram as well. I will share the link in the description box. Till then, bye bye. Take care.